Hi guys, so today we are everything trolls. Check out these adorable trolls headbands. They're so easy to make. I'm going to put a link to how to make those in the description below. But today we want to show you how to make this awesome cloud guy cake, but it's made out of cupcakes. So it's really easy. You can either use your own buttercream frosting that you make yourself, or you can just go buy cupcakes that already have white frosting and put it together that way. And we're also having a major giveaway, 2 Amazon gift cards, $100 each. Make sure you sign up for that. You can look for that in the description below. First, I made the cupcakes and I frosted them all with my buttercream frosting. I frosted 18 cupcakes in total. Then I laid them out in the shape of the Trolls Cloud Guy. I used my buttercream frosting to fill in any holes or gaps. Then roll out black fondant and cut out the mouth. I used small round cookie cutters to cut out the back of the eyes. And I also made little round balls for the pupils. Next, the same round cookie cutters I used to cut out the teeth in white fondant. And then cut those circles in half. This I used to lay out the teeth. I also did the same thing for the bottom of the teeth. Now it's time to lay out the eyeballs. I just rolled out white fondant in a ball and then cut that in half. I laid each half on top of the black round fondant circles that I cut out earlier. Now use pink fondant to cut out the eyelids. And then put the eyelids on the eyeballs. One tip, use a little water on clean fingers to make sure that the other fondant sticks on top of that. Of course, every eye needs pupils. Put the mouth in the center of the cupcakes. Now add the eyeballs. Roll out the blue fondant for the arms and legs. Shape the hands and the fingers, and attach the arms and fingers to the cake. Next, add your legs, and you have your Trolls Cloud Guy cupcake cake. Okay, so once again, make sure you sign up for our giveaway. 2 Amazon gift cards, $100 each. We have information on that in the description below. Of course, we'd love you to like this video and share it with your friends. That really helps us out a whole bunch. And we're gonna put a link to everything you need also in the description below. So make sure you subscribe and let us know what you want us to make next time. We'll see you then. Bye.